If NTA gives this type of question in mains, how will we solve it? Cos pi by 11 plus cos 3 pi by 11 plus cos 5 pi by 11 plus cos 7 pi by 11 plus cos 9 pi by 11. First we need to check the given expression. It is in the form of cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha plus 2 beta and so on. First we need to check is it in this format or not. So let's check cos pi by 11. If you write this 3 pi by 11 in terms of alpha plus beta, then it is going to be pi by 11 plus 2 pi by 11, which is 3 pi by 11. And here we have alpha plus 2 beta. So that is pi by 11 plus 2 times 2 pi by 11. So which is 5 pi by 11 and plus so on. After comparing these two terms, what we can say? We can say alpha value is pi by 11, then beta value is 2 pi by 11. And also you need to check how many terms given. So how many terms we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So we have 5 terms. Now we know alpha, we know beta, we know n value. Simply you have to use this beautiful and useful trick, which is sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 times cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. Now just simply substitute these alpha, beta, n values in this formula. Then it is going to be sin, what is n? N is 5. 5 times beta by 2. What is beta? 2 pi by 11. By 2 means here 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. We left only 5 pi by 11. By sin beta by 2, which is 2 pi by 11 times 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. So we left only sin pi by 11 times cos of what we have? We have alpha, which is pi by 11 plus n minus 1. N value is 5. So 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 4 times beta by 2. So what is beta by 2? Which is 2 pi by 11 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So we left only 4 pi by 11. N minus 1 beta by 2. The value is 4 pi by 11. Alpha value is pi by 11. After taking LCM, we got 5 pi by 11. So here we are going to get cos of 5 pi by 11. After using that formula, so we got this sin 5 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11 divided by sin pi by 11. Observe the numerator we have in terms of sin A cos A. If you multiply divided by 2 here, the numerator what we have? We have 2 sin A cos A. What is the formula for 2 sin A cos A? Which is sin 2A. So the numerator turns into sin 2A. So sin 2 times A is nothing but 5 pi by 11. After multiplying these two, we are going to get 10 pi by 11. This 10 pi by 11, we can write this as pi minus pi by 11. So after taking LCM, we are going to get only 10 pi by 11, isn't it? So instead of 10 pi by 11, we can write this as pi minus pi by 11. Denominator we have 2 times sin pi by 11. Now observe here, pi minus pi by 11 it is in the form of sine of 180 minus theta, isn't it? So what is sine 180 minus theta? Which gives only sine theta. So numerator we can write this as sine of pi by 11. So pi minus pi by 11, which gives only sine pi by 11. Here pi by 11, here pi by 11 gets cancelled. So we left only 1 by 2. Using this formula, we can solve this type of question under 5 seconds. This is the easiest trick to solve cosine sums. Do you like this question? If you want to try this, I am going to give one problem to you. Try this cosine sum and give your result in the comment section. This question asked in 2022. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.